How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get veiny arms intense workout, not for beginners. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. So first exercise is going to be forearm twist like this. Do high repetitions. Keep going. Perfect, quick little break. We're then gonna do squeezes. Get your hands squeezed really, really tight and hold. Keep going, hold, hold, hold. Quick little break. We're then gonna do a forearm curl like this. Perfect. End the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.